What's the settlement amount for a T-bone accident in D.C., Maryland, and Virginia? Any accident in D.C., Maryland, and Virginia, it's going to depend on a couple of things. One, was it the other driver's fault? If you were T-boned, you had the green light, the other driver ran a red, it's their fault. So that's number one. Number two is the value of the case is going to depend on the extent of your injuries. So how severely were you injured? The more severely you were injured, the more medical treatment that you needed, the surgeries, the rehab, the time away from work, that all adds up quickly and leads to a more significant settlement. If the injury was relatively minor, well, that's probably a modest settlement. Now, if you're not sure which one you fall into, a lot of that's going to depend on time and, again, the extent of your injuries. So give us a call. We're happy to talk it through with you either way. If you've got a very small injury in case, we're probably not the law firm for you. We can't help you, but we can kind of guide you and give you some information that'll help you. If you have a serious injury where you've had surgeries, you've been hospitalized, you need some long-term care, those are the type of cases that we really focus on. So if you've been hurt in D.C., Maryland, and Virginia in a crash, T-bone collision, or any other accident, give us a call. Thanks.